Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making the August 2025 Show Us Your Sheet Load card. So I'm going to be using the Peaceful Garden suite of products. So we have the Designer Series paper, the Peace on Earth bundle that includes the stamp set and the dies. And we're also going to be using the embellishment. So we have ribbon and hues of blue flowers, okay? I'm not sure if I'm going to use the ribbon. We'll see. So before we get started on our project, let's go over some buzz-worthy business of the day. We have our Fall for Tall paper pumpkin kit that's going to make 9 elegant cards. Cajun Craze is the stamping spot. This paper pumpkin kit is going to coordinate with the Autumn Toile Sweet collection that's in the upcoming mini catalog. Circle of the Seasons add-on dies are available. They coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits, and I do have a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our Stampin' Rewards program where you earn 10% on all orders $20 or more, excluding tax and shipping. Redeem your rewards on future orders. Track and save rewards in your online Stampin' Up account, and rewards expire after 12 months of the earning date. Next, we have our August paper in color sale. I'm sorry. The 2025 to 2027 in color products are on sale for 15% off. So take advantage of that until the end of the month. August 31st, 2025 will be the last day. Mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used retired Stampin' Up product. I'm just asking $35 for each box. Shipping is included in that $35. Email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com if you are interested in any of the boxes, all right? And that is all of our buzzworthy business for the day. So let me show you this sheet load of card sketch. This is from Call Me Crafty Owl. This is her August sheet load. And it is designed for you to get instructions on how to cut it up. And it makes 8 cards. So using 6x6 paper. So I am just going to make 1 card, which I typically do. So I've already started. I got our cloud cover base here that is 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. And I've gone ahead and designed the inside with some Misty Moonlight that is 5 by 3 3/4, basic white that is 3.5 by 4 3/4, some Designer Series paper that is 3.5 by 3/4, and some glimmer paper. This is another item that is in this suite of products. I'm not sure what it's called. Let me see, I have it here. This is called Peaceful Garden Glimmer Paper. So you get 3 different colors. You have blue, soft green, and dark gray. Okay. And then I also, that is 3.5 by 1/4 inch. And then I have a vellum piece that I die cut from the dies. Vellum, Stampin' Up does not sell vellum, but I still have some of their vellum, so I'm using it. You can get vellum at any craft store. So that is our card base. And I have some basic white here that we're going to decorate to do our card sketch. So I'm going to glue these pieces on. So I have my pieces here. Let me see. Get all of my little pieces. And we're going to glue this together. So let me get some liquid glue. I'm going to start with this glimmer paper here. And I'm hoping that I'm going to get these spaced out correctly. I'm hoping. Because I'm just going to put these on and hope that my spacing is good all around. Let me see, I'm going to start with one of these. This one is going to go on the edge here. I'm going to try to get the same spacing as I got. Oh, okay. I'm probably giving it not enough border, but I should have laid it out first and then picked them up one by one to put the glue on. Yeah, because that is not enough border. Not enough. Come on. I see you moving up. Let's try to scoot that over. Okay, So we have those. Now let's put this one on. And this one, we'll try to give it a bigger border just because I know I have messed up. But that's okay. It's still gonna look good. See, these should have came down more. Shana, Shana, Shana. It's all right though. We're gonna work with it. Next time I'll do a dry run and just pick the pieces up. Because the spacing, this space here and here, like these should have came down some, but they are stuck like Chuck. Okay. We're gonna take a die piece from Misty Moonlight and are gonna stamp our sentiment on that. We're using Peace on Earth in Secret Sea ink. We're gonna stamp that right here on the right hand side, just like that. And I'm thinking I have a piece of vellum, another piece of vellum that I die cut using the die that layers this. And I'm thinking I want to put this up on dimensionals, so I might use this ribbon to go under that. So let's see if I can get this ribbon started here. Okay. Ooh, the tape's taped on my hand. So I think I just want to do a little zigzag here. A little bit more underneath, about like that. So I'll cut that. Let me cut this end at a diagonal, a little slant on there. So I'm gonna get some Stampin' Seal Plus here just to put down to hold our ribbon. Maybe a couple of more little strips here. We don't want our ribbon to come off. We're just gonna plop that right down in here. Oop. Just like that. Maybe. Ribbon is so, I get so picky sometimes with the ribbon. Let's get some Stampin' Dimensionals up under our sentiment label here. I got some pieces of dimensionals here. Let's put those on. You guys know I don't waste any parts of my dimensional, so I caught myself, uh-oh, this one didn't even stick. Cut my dimensionals in half to see, since I use so many, if I just use a half, maybe I won't feel so bad. What's going on with the dimensionals? I won't feel so bad for using so many. Oh, I see. The paper is peeling up, so it's not exposing the sticky. I think that should be enough. Don't you? It's probably too many, but it'll be all right. It'll be all right. We're gonna, come on, get this off. We're gonna stick this right over our little vellum layer here. Just like that. Oh. I just wanted that to come up a little bit more. Okay, and now we're gonna put this onto our, this piece. Let's put this onto the card base first. That would be a good idea, wouldn't it? Get this adhered to the card base, because where else would we put it? Let's see. Let's see here. Just gonna add that just like that. Then we can take some more of this Seal Plus onto our vellum piece. And we're gonna put that right here. Then I have some die cuts. I did a dove in basic white and a little, I guess it's an olive branch in the glimmer. I'm gonna put a dab of glue on the back of the dove's face here. His head. Ooh, I said a dab. That is a lot. I did die cut this with the adhesive sheets, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna need that. I gotta figure out if I want this up on dimensionals. I do need dimensionals on the wings. So I'm just gonna put one on each wing. Like so, and then I'll put glue on the rest, just like that. Then we can pop our dove right here, and it'll pop up. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, now we're gonna put our little hues of blue flowers. Now I did not, when I did my unboxing, I did not have the gems here or the ribbon. So these are two new items that I did not unbox or do during my show and tell because I didn't have them. I placed another order. So let's see. I think I want to use the white ones just to bring out some of this white. And ooh, it looks almost like vellum. Isn't that something? Let's put a couple of more here. Let's see. Where do I want it? Let's put a small one there. We'll put another one. Let's put another one right there. And call it done. So this is my card using the August 2025 Show Us Your Sheet Load by Call Me Crafty Owl. And this is the Peaceful Garden suite of products. Isn't this pretty? I love it. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.